No idea. Do you know what kind of a vaccination that you take? Is that Astra or probably Pfizer, right?
Yeah.
And
Sugar. And I really. Oh.
What time did you go to Central yesterday?
I go
อันนี้อะไร
8:30.
You went at 8:30, and what time did you finish?
Finish
11.
in
เอา
10:28.
หลวงพ่อคุณแก๊ปเขียว
Half 11.
เอาเนี้ยใส่
Oh,
โอ้
10:58.
Right, it's not that bad then. Not that bad. Okay. Well,
I don't have to talk much tea.
what? Okay, last time we had study on the occupation, right? We're done with the occupation, and then we have finished this one. Activity 1 and 2. For this one, here, right here. This is how to use the procession. Okay, procession is not short for anything at all. This one. Wait 1 second. Everyone, please turn to the activity book. Page. Page 72, okay. Look on the activity 3 in the box. This box, okay. So this one is generally is the possessive of a singular noun that has apostrophe. This thing, 1 second. This thing, the little thing, this one, we call it apostrophe, right? It's composed of apostrophe and then the letter S, okay? If it's a singular noun that ends it with S. So the rule is quite easy. The rule is quite easy. If the noun doesn't end with the S, you just put apostrophe S on it, okay? For example, this is Mary and her dog, okay? So the dog is Mary's pet. Understand? Or she's got, this one is short for has, right? She's got a job in the children's section, for example. Okay, it doesn't matter if the nouns, just look at the nouns. This one is the nouns. The nouns, which is doesn't end it with S, right? It's ended with Y. So if it is plural, okay, if it is plural, for example, should I say, let me think, it's plural. Okay, this is the boys. You see the S, you just put the apostrophe there, bedroom. Understand? You don't look at, for these verb tense agreements, it's agree with these nouns. Okay, this one is agree with each other. However, this one just agree with just these nouns only. Please listen carefully, just, only this one. It doesn't concern the bedroom or is. What is concentrate or is focusing on is on boys, right? What else? Okay. What else? Okay, my parents' houses is lovely, right? You see that? It's just focusing on parents because parents has two, right? Parents has more than one, has an S there. However, this one we using is because the house, just one, your parents has only one house. Understand? So you just focusing on the S. Okay. What about the name that it's end with, S, like Jess? What do you think it is? Let's end with S. What should you say? This is what else? Oops. Jess' book, or this is Jess's book. Which one? What do you think? One or two?
Ooh.
Fun.
Right, it takes only apostrophe. So number one is correct. Okay, number one is correct. We don't do this type. Understand? They only take an apostrophe according to the rules. So, any questions? Do you have any questions on this? All right.
No.
I think you're ready for this activity. Okay, let's do activity B, page 72. Page 72. Apostrophe S.
Finish.
Okay, let's wait for your friends a little. I'll give you 5 more minutes. The rest of the class, please hurry up.
Finish, teachers.
Are you guys all finished? I just want you to try to do it. Normally, if we are at the school, I will ask you guys to come out one by one and write it down on the board so I can see that you understand the rules of possessive, apostrophe possessive. Can you please turn on your camera too? Please turn on your camera. To make sure that you are there. What about the rest of you guys? Only 10 people turn on the camera. What about the rest? Are you like sleeping in front of the computer or something? Yeah, let me see your face, please. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Please turn on your camera. Thank you. Please turn on your camera. Okay, what is number 3?
Number 3 is these are the driver's trousers. Mechanic trousers. Oh, and
Are the mechanic's trousers. Number 4.
number 4 is these are the
The
builder hat.
These are the builder's hats. Number 5.
Number 5 is this is the postman bag.
It is the postman's bag. I dropped the, I don't know why. Okay, number 6.
These are
Can you see? Can you spot the shoes?
police officer shoes.
Right. Number 7.
Number 7 is these are the shop assistant's pencil.
Number 8.
But it is
What is it?
this is builder ladder.
The builder's ladder. Okay. From number 3 to number 8, I made a mistake. Can anyone spot the mistake? Can you find the mistake?
Yes, I'm wrong one.
Which one? Which one did I write it wrong? This one, this one, this one.
No.
Can you find it? This one is the.
Oh. Yes.
Where else can you find it? There's one more
Yes.
that I made it wrong.
Wait.
And anyone spot the mistake from this exercise? Don't just copy it down. There is a mistake there. Can you find it?
Oh, I don't find it. I
You
cannot find it.
What about the others? One.
Lebih baik.
How many police officers? How many police officers? 2, right? 2 of them. 1 and 2. And this one already has an S, so there's no S behind. Understand?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, it's true.
So look at this one. It says number 1, right? It says this is shop assistant's jacket. This is a shop assistant. Shop assistant, only 1, right? So that's why no S behind shop assistant. That's why it's used apostrophe S. But look at this. We're using is because of the jacket. Understand? Understand? And this one also, this is the police officer's car. Police officers, 2 of them, but how many cars do they have? How many cars do they have? Just 1, right? That's why agreement we're using it with car. But however, this one has an S here. That is why it just the apostrophe. Understand? Mechanic. Look at the mechanic. It is a girl, mechanic. So these are trousers. Trousers always in the plural form. That is why we wear for trousers. Okay, but mechanic, just 1 person. That's why we have the apostrophe S. Understand? Number 4, builders. More than, right? More than 1. So that's why builders, S and then apostrophe. Okay. Postman. Postman, just 1 person, right? Just 1 person. That's why they're using apostrophe S. But well,
Ah,
if it's more than 1, which is postman, right? Still need apostrophe S anyways, because it's ended with N. Remember this one? Children. Children is more than 1.
yeah.
However, it doesn't end it with S. That's why it requires apostrophe S behind it. Okay. Whoops.
Semua ayak cilik. Sorry.
Okay. So, wait. There it is. So, do you have any questions? Don't forget pencils, right? Pencils has an S because it's more than 1 pencils. Okay. Do you have any questions on this one? This one is possessive apostrophes. Possessive when you're using with it. Okay. Do you have any questions?
Not now.
Okay. If you don't have any questions, I want you to go back and then review on this. Okay, I think it's quite confusing, and this one will definitely be in the unit test for unit 8 test. So I would like you to go back and read it again just to make sure that you understand, okay? All right, if you don't have any questions, I would like to end it here and I will see you again tomorrow. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow, guys.
Bye.